Hi, how are you?
My name is Craig Anderson. I work full-time as a flight instructor, working with students from all over the area, including Myron here. Myron is definitely an anomaly in the terms that not only is she a woman, but she's also a Somalian American, and I look forward to working with her.
My name is Myron Omar, and I have a privilege to be part of it, Al-Iskandar Aviation, and I don't know how I thank to Craig to give me this opportunity, and I am looking forward to become a private pilot if God willing.